Smartwatches have emerged as popular tech accessories that simplify our daily routines. Now, even children can benefit from these innovative devices tailored for their needs. Unlike conventional smartwatches, those designed for kids offer a more limited set of features but come at a more accessible price point. These kid-friendly smartwatches come equipped with a variety of apps and games, ensuring that youngsters remain engaged and entertained. Some models even feature integrated cameras, allowing kids to capture photos and selfies. Additionally, certain smartwatches function as communication tools, enabling phone calls, text messaging, and GPS tracking capabilities. It's worth noting, albeit reluctantly, that many parents consider GPS and calling features essential when selecting a smartwatch for their child. Here goes our list of the best kids' watches on the market today. All product links are provided in the description. 1. Kidizoom Smartwatch DX2. The vivofit Kidizoom Smartwatch DX2 stands out as a highly rated kids' smartwatch on Amazon. It has garnered this reputation due to its rich array of features tailored for children. With a plethora of activities, games, and intuitive challenges, it ensures that children remain engaged and entertained throughout the day. Among its standout features is the built-in voice changer, allowing children to have fun with their voices. Additionally, the smartwatch boasts a camera feature, enabling kids to capture photos and videos. Once these moments are captured, they can enhance them with various fun filters. A notable convenience is the ability to directly download these media files to another device without the need to transfer them to the cloud first. Beyond these entertainment features, the smartwatch incorporates practical tools such as an alarm, timer, stopwatch, calendar, calculator, and even a pedometer. The design and functionality of the vivofit Kidizoom Smartwatch DX2 prioritize both durability and user-friendliness. Its splashproof and scratch-resistant nature ensures it can withstand the playful nature of children. Additionally, the watch offers customization options, coming in appealing shades of blue and purple. Children also have the freedom to choose from various watch faces, adding a touch of personalization. With an age range recommendation starting from 4 years and upwards, this smartwatch also ensures parental peace of mind. Parents can exert control over its functionality, making adjustments as needed. While it doesn't feature cell connectivity, its design focuses on enhancing the child's experience in a safe and controlled manner. 2. TicTalk 4G LTE Kids Smartwatch Phone with GPS Tracker. The TicTalk 4 emerges as a standout choice for parents seeking a blend of features and oversight for their kids aged 5 to 13. This LTE-enabled smartwatch is designed with a strong emphasis on parental controls, ensuring that parents can monitor and manage their child's interactions and activities. With its dual HD cameras, children can engage in video and voice calls, capturing and sharing moments with ease. Additionally, the device offers free music streaming through iHeartFamily, adding to its entertainment value. Safety is paramount in the TicTalk 4's design. The watch's accurate GPS locator provides parents with real-time insights into their child's location, offering peace of mind. The inclusion of an SOS function is especially noteworthy. In emergency, children can instantly connect with their designated contacts, a feature that offers immense reassurance to parents. To ensure that the device doesn't disrupt classroom activity, a dedicated Do Not Disturb mode allows only essential functions, like the SOS feature, to remain active. Parents have extensive control over the device's functionalities. They can manage whom their child communicates with, set restrictions on feature access during specific times, and gain insights into their child's interactions and usage patterns. Built to last, the TicTalk 4 boasts a sturdy exterior reminiscent of the protective nature of renowned cases like OtterBox. While it offers splashproof capabilities rather than complete waterproofing, its durability is evident. Notably, the smartwatch boasts an impressive 62-hour battery life. Designed for children aged 5 to 12 years and integrated with a pre-embedded SIM card. 3. Xplora X Go 3 Kids Smartwatch. The Xplora X Go 3 Kids smartwatch presents itself as an ideal tool for parents aiming to introduce boundaries for their children, granting them a sense of autonomy while maintaining vigilant oversight. A user aptly described it as providing a safeguard akin to an invisible fence, notifying parents if their child ventures beyond a preset safe zone. This feature utilizes the watch's GPS capability, allowing children some latitude within familiar confines. Designed with a child's daily activities in mind, the Xplora X Go 3 facilitates communication through text messages and calls with contacts that parents have pre-approved. Moreover, its built-in 2MP camera lets children share moments through photos. A notable highlight is its impressive battery longevity, lasting up to 72 hours in passive mode, ranking it among the top contenders in terms of endurance. The watch's approach to incentivizing activity is commendable. Instead of imposing activities, it encourages natural movement and play. As children engage in their usual activity, they accumulate coins, redeemable within the Xplora app for curated, age-appropriate content. Recognizing the importance of an undistracted learning environment, the Xplora XGO 3 offers a school mode, restricting certain functionalities during school hours. Subscription plans for this smartwatch begin at $9.99 per month, ensuring affordability for parents. Tailored for children aged 5 and above, and also it's integrated with a SIM card. 4. Tobi 2 Robot Smartwatch. The Tobi 2 Robot Smartwatch is a distinctively crafted device that seamlessly combines elements of education with entertainment, catering specifically to its younger user base who might not be ready to handle the complexities of devices like the Apple Watch. Beyond its playful facade, the Tobi 2 stands out as a valuable educational tool. One of its primary objectives is to instill the essential skill of time telling, particularly in an analog format. Recognizing the prevalent digital dependency among children today, this smartwatch offers a tangible experience, teaching them the traditional way of reading time. In addition to its educational focus, the Tobi 2 is replete with interactive features designed to captivate its young audience. Whether it's the inclusion of a calendar to help them track important dates, or a stopwatch and timer for various activities, the watch ensures a blend of learning and engagement. Moreover, it comes equipped with an alarm function, ensuring timely reminders for the wearer. A notable feature that amplifies its appeal is the incorporation of dual cameras. This not only fosters creativity, but also empowers children to document and cherish moments with their friends and surroundings. However, while the Tobi 2 offers an impressive array of features, some users might find its design slightly bulky, with the watch sitting elevated on the wrist. This design aspect could potentially make it more susceptible to slipping off. Tailored for children aged 6 and above, the Tobi 2 Robot Smartwatch stands as a testament to how technology can be both educational and entertaining. 5. vivofit Junior 3. The vivofit Junior 3 by Garmin stands out as a robust fitness tracker designed specifically for children, blending health monitoring with interactive features to keep them engaged and motivated. Notably, it's crafted to be waterproof, ensuring durability even during those unexpected splashes or playful moments in the water. At its core, the vivofit Junior 3 focuses on promoting physical activity and healthy sleep patterns. It diligently tracks steps, monitors sleep quality, and tallies active minutes, all aimed at fostering positive health habits from a young age. For parents seeking to instill a routine, the device allows for the setting of daily activity targets. Additionally, a unique feature lets parents customize an emergency contact screen, offering peace of mind during outings or activities. Interactive elements elevate the user experience. Parents can send tailored alerts and chore lists directly to the device, providing gentle reminders and promoting responsibility. Encouragement is further enhanced through a reward system where children earn virtual coins for achieving their set goal, whether they're fitness-related or otherwise. A significant advantage of the vivofit Junior 3 is its impressive battery longevity, boasting a built-in battery that can last up to a year without needing replacement. Suitable for children aged 6 and above,